Data warehouse.
It's a cloud-based.
Data warehouse.
Cloud-based data warehouse, mainly for what?
Analytical solutions.
Okay, so mainly for it's used for data storage, then data processing, and data analytics. Simply it's an analytical solutions. Okay, remember. And Snowflake is mainly for data migration project. What exactly it will use for data migration in the sense, like, tell me anybody. So this is important. Okay, so you'll work on any migration project. Tell me what exactly data migration.
Converting the data to Oracle to cloud databases.
So moving the data from one data source to
Another data source.
to Snowflake and say Snowflake. Okay. So what exactly the data sources we're having in the market? Data sources we're having. Oracle is there. Okay, these are important. Okay, see Oracle, SQL,
SSMS,
MySQL, then DB2. So, okay, okay, so Teradata. Okay, then
Green Plum.
no, Informatica is in it. Okay,
Green
so,
Plum.
so Green Plum, Netezza, MariaDB. Okay, there's so many databases are there. Okay, so then so SAP HANA. Okay, SAP HANA. Sometimes what happened from Redshift also they're trying to migrate the data. Okay, see. Then what happened? Cloud. Okay, Hadoop from Hadoop also they're trying to do. Okay, see. So Oracle database, SQL Server, MySQL. Okay, see after completion of this course. So once you get to any project, we'll work on any of the database migration. Okay, so mainly it's a data migration, moving the data from one data source to Snowflake. Okay. And what are the database objects we're trying to migrate? The phase one. What are the data sources?
Tables.
So table. Okay, so
Views.
phase two.
Views.
So phase two. So views.
Package.
Okay, so views. Then third one is the procedures. So see, packages won't support in Snowflake. So procedures. Okay, see. So packages are there, but what happens? So packages, functions, and procedures. And the procedures. Okay, see. So see, we should migrate the tables, the views, packages, and tell me the duration of a project, migration project.
1 to 2.
So 1 to 3, we can say.
Yes,
okay, the maintenance also will. So 1 to 3. So this is right. And what is our role after completion of this course? What role we should apply? What type of role?
Snowflake developer, Snowflake data engineer.
Okay, so Snowflake developer or Snowflake. So these are the basic points. Okay, see, data engineer. Okay, engineer. Okay, and who are the team members? Will work accordingly. Who are the team members?
Testing.
Snowflake developers.
So development team. Okay, then admin will be there. Which type of admin? Snowflake
admin.
Okay, then
testing team.
Testing. So testing or QA, quality assurance. So this terminology you should understand. So quality assurance. Okay, then
business intelligence people.
So BA teams. That is nothing but one second. Tell me, BAT is nothing but what? It's a business analyst. Analyst. Okay, so this is fine. So testing team, QA team, BA team, this is fine. Okay, in a similar fashion, what? Okay, see the team lead, TL, PM, project manager. Okay, so these are the guys will be there. Tell me daily what type of call will be there? What call will be there?
Scrum call.
Scrum call. Okay, so Scrum call or status call. Okay, or stand up call. Okay, so stand up call. Okay, so nothing but what say like giving updates to. So giving updates to
team members.
Updates to team members. Update to team members. Okay, so this now what happened, and we should now understand what type of domain. Okay, so domain. Tell me what are the domains we're having. Okay, domains.
Dev.
No, that is database and domains, like retail domain.
Banking, insurance.
So banking,
Banking.
okay,
And
so
financial
insurance, so finance. Okay,
Finance.
so these are the things you should understand. Okay, because no, we'll say like, okay, I work for retail domain, banking domain, insurance domain, finance domain. So this is fine. And in a similar fashion, what happened? Okay, see, daily will have, okay, see how the work will come to us. Tell me how the work come to us daily. What in the help of
The tickets.
Zero tickets.
ticketing tools. Like, okay, so we're having so Zira. Okay, then service now. Okay, then okay, see Monday.com. Okay, then okay, so mostly it's Jira value or Azure DevOps.
DevOps.
Azure DevOps. One time. Okay, 1 second. Okay, Azure DevOps. Okay, so these are so before going to learn anything, no, first you should understand how the work, what type of project we're working. Okay, so we should understand a little bit high level. Okay, now come toward the same thing. Tell me how can I communicate with Snowflake? Tell me how to communicate with the Snowflake by using which concept?
SQL.
Okay,
Using
SQL. Okay, so now we two different programs we're discussing SQL. Okay, see, SQL is nothing but what it says structured
Structured query
Query.
language.
query language. Okay, see, structured query language. Okay, so again, okay, so it acts as a bridge between user and database or data warehouse. Now tell me what are the SQL languages we're having? SQL languages.
5 DDL.
Tell me.
DDL.
So
Data definition
DML.
language.
Okay, see DDL. Okay.
DML.
DML.
Okay, so DDL.
DML. DQL.
Okay.
QL.
Okay, see.
Data.
So DQL, then
TCL.
okay, then TCL, then one more thing is there, which is the thing. Forgot which one? DRL is complete. So DQL or DL both are same one. Okay. One more thing is missing. Which one? These are the basic
DCL.
things. Okay, see.
DCL.
So DCL. Okay, see.
Data control language.
Data control language. Okay. See the same thing. So see, remember, SQL is nothing but simple example. I'll write to you. So this is important. Okay. So these are the basic. Okay, if you know basics only, you can able to go further. Okay, so simple thing. Okay. Suppose what happened? I want to communicate with. Okay, how can I communicate by using a language? Okay, see, language either Telugu or Hindi. Same thing. Now what happened? Okay, see, I want to communicate with the database or data warehouse. How can I communicate by using a language? What type of language is SQL? So by using SQL, we can able to communicate the database or data warehouse. Okay, see, okay, got the point. SQL is nothing but a structured query language. It acts as a bridge between user and Snowflake. You see, if I want to communicate with the Snowflake, how can I communicate by using a language called SQL? And SQL are divided into, it can be, so SQL commands. Okay, are SQL languages. Okay, or okay, SQL commands or SQL languages or okay, SQL statements or basic building blocks of SQL. Okay, so all related to one thing. So this is, so remember, so basic building blocks of SQL. If you want to learn SQL, now, all these concepts are important. So DDL, DML, then TCL. Okay, so TCL will come first. Okay, see. So TCL, then DQL, and one more thing is the DCL. Okay, so DDL, DML, TCL, DQL, and DCL. So these are very, very important. That's what's called as basic building blocks of SQL. Okay, we'll see one step by step. What exactly DDL is nothing but say data definition language. What are the commands we're having in the DDL?
Create.
So create, then alter, then drop. Okay, see drop. Okay, see, we'll see in the Snowflake perspective. So create, alter, and drop are the DDL command. Okay, same thing. We'll see in detail. Okay, so it will take two classes. So data
Data
manipulation,
manipulation
language. What are the commands we're having? Okay, see insert,
Update,
update,
language.
delete,
truncate,
anybody merge, and truncate. So
Truncate.
in Snowflake, no truncate acts as a DML. Okay, so okay. So TCL is nothing but what's a transaction control. We'll see detail what exactly these things are. Okay, so language. What are the commands we're having? Commit and
rollback,
rollback. Okay. So what about DRL? Say data retrieval
language,
or query language. So queries. Okay, see query. What the command we're having? Says select state. Select statement. So DCL is nothing but say data control. Okay, see if I want to control the database, we'll go for this. That is grant and
revoke,
We'll see the same thing, all the things with real-time use cases. Okay, see, remember simple thing. If I want to communicate with the Snowflake by using SQL, we can able to communicate. Again, this SQL is divided into DDL. Okay, so then DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. Okay, see, well, we'll see. Okay, it will take 1 or 2 classes extra to learn now. Okay, these are called as basic building blocks. So without this, we can't able to go further. So data definition language. Okay, what are the data definition language? Tell me. We're having again. We're having so see create. So what exactly create is nothing but what exactly create will do in area anyone?
create a new object.
Create an object.
New. It will create a new database object in the schema.
Okay, see, so it is used to create a so it's a simple thing. So create it is used to create a new database object in the database. A simple thing what happens. So create is nothing but what it's used to create a new database object. Okay, see new database object. Okay. So go to the point. See, if you want to create any database object, it makes a create statement. Okay, so create. Okay, simple syntax is that word. So create. We'll see table. Create table. Table name. Bracket open. Bracket close. Okay, see column 1. Data type 1. Okay.
Data type.
Column 2. Data type 2. Okay, so column 3. Data type 3. Okay, see, we can put like this. Okay, see, I am trying to create a table. So column 1, data type 1. Column 2. So these are the. Okay, now here before learning what exactly data type is nothing but tell me what exactly data type is nothing but what? Tell me. What exactly data type is nothing but tell me.
Data
It is
type.
a type where
Data type is an object which can accommodate the type of data, which is number data or string data.
The simple thing. So see simple thing what happened. If I want to simple use case is that suppose like I'm having X are there. Tell me X where you can store in the tray. Same thing. Water where you can store in the bottles in a similar fashion. Number, let's suppose like what happens. Suppose like a simple thing I'm having. So phone number is there. Okay, salary is there. Okay. So then what happens? So see these are what employee ID. So these are what number let's go for in the number data type. Okay, see number data type. Same thing. Okay, suppose like address is there. Okay, then name is there. Okay, city is there. Then what happened? These are the alpha numeric. Alpha numeric where you can store in the where in the varchar data type varchar 2. Okay, so then what happens? Char string text. Okay, these are the data types it supports. Same number. Okay, same thing. Suppose like date of birth. Okay, date of joining. Okay, so date of registration. These are what? These are date. We should go for date and a date time. Okay, got the point. So these are the basic things. Okay, see. So if I want to store any column, compulsory mention the data type, either number, data type, all these things we can get. Okay, so ask can everyone. Yes, same thing. Okay, same. Okay, same thing. So this is fine. In a similar fashion, I want to store true or false. Tell me how to store true or false.
By using the Boolean.
Boolean data type. So see Boolean data type. Okay, so got the point. The same thing. Remember, Snowflake supports structured data also, semi-structured data. Okay, how to store semi-structured data by using variant
variant data
data type. Okay, so simple thing. See what happens. Generally use what? So generally use number data type, varchar, date time, boolean data type. Okay, and variant. We'll see what is varchar difference at the point of time. It's the same. We can make it working. Okay, so simple thing is that what? With the help of DDL, I want to create a table. How can I create a table? Create table, table name, bracket open, bracket close, column one, data type, column two, data type. So here data type is nothing but what, which type of data we are trying to store. So see which type of data we are trying to store in the particular column. What the point? Which type of data in the sense like what can be number data type? It can be okay, so it can be so where it can be so date. So see simple use case. What happens? Simple. I'm trying to go for simple use case. When you're learning, go for simple example. Okay, employee details underscore T. What is underscore T is nothing but what? Underscore distance say table. So table.
name.
So naming standards underscore T is that it's a table. Okay. Underscore V is nothing but what say? Anyone?
View.
It's a view. Okay. Same thing. Underscore MV is nothing but what say? Materialized. Okay.
View.
So see, remember, okay, companies will follow the coding standards. Okay, see, underscore is because there are so many objects will be there. How can you find? We should go for the naming standards. It's a table. It's a view. It's a materialized view. We can able to understand. Okay. Simple thing. Now it's a table I'm trying. So bracket open, bracket close. Now what happened? Tell me. First column is that what employee details. What the column we can have? Tell me.
Name.
Employee ID. Employee is what? It's a what data? 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a what data? We can able to say integer. It's a number.
What number? What?
Okay.
Okay.
So what about employee name? Name like alphabets, numbers, alphabets. Yeah, it's a varchar. Okay, we can give anything. I'll try to explain later point of time. I'm putting 30. What is 30 here?
Length.
It's a data.
Right.
It's a data size,
Right.
data. Okay, column name. Okay, up to 30 characters it can accommodate. Employee ID, number. Employee name, varchar is the data type, and 30 is the data size or column length. Okay, so this is one. Same thing. Tell me salary is what?
Number.
It's a number. Okay.
Number.
Okay, so number. Okay. Same thing in a similar fashion. Salary is then. So date of joining. What is date of joining? What date I would say? It's a date. So date. Okay, so date. Okay, so date. Okay, same thing. What we're having email. Email is nothing but what? Alphabets,
Varchar.
numbers, special. We'll go for varchar. Okay,
So
varchar. Tell me, can I put 5? It will work?
No.
No, because a bigger value.
No.
30. Okay, so it depends on the column. We can go for the same. Okay, second. Okay, we can go for. So here, what happened? Tell me, this is what employee details T say. It's what? Say table name. Table name. Okay. What is employee ID? Employee name, salary. These are what? These are what? Column name. Column names. And what about this number? Varchar. These are data types. What is that? It's a data size. Okay, see tape. Okay, so create is it's a DDL statement. Okay, see DDL statement. Okay, employee details is nothing but say table name, column names, data type, and a data size. So bracket open, bracket close. Okay, this is important. Okay, copy the same thing. Now tell me if now tell me if I write here, the table will get automatically created. No? Tell me.
No, we need to execute in the Snowflake.
Okay, see the more. Okay, see here. Okay, so this is what this is Notepad plus plus for what? Writing the queries only. Okay. Now what happened? I want to create a table or any database object. What should be there? Tell me. If I want to create any database object, compulsory we should have database. So database and the schema should be there. Okay, so schema. Now what happened? Now we should create one Snowflake account. Tell me yesterday on Friday class, tell me Snowflake, for Snowflake you need to install any software or any hardware?
No,
Why?
because it's a SaaS-based tool.
Because now what happened? It's a SaaS model. What is SaaS?
Software as
Software as a
Service.
Service. Okay, what exactly is SaaS in the sense like what? Tell me.
It is a account type.
It is a what?
User account.
Which is one of type of the cloud-based.
Okay, and what exactly SaaS is? So SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. So here what happens? So see, if you see now in the Oracle database, now what happened? So we need to install the software, this all these things. But what happened for SaaS? No need to install any software or any hardware. Okay, so who will take care of this? The service provider. Now Snowflake is the service provider. We need to create account and we need to work on it. Got the point also. Yes, SaaS is nothing but what? Okay, Snowflake is a SaaS model. No need to install any software or any hardware. Create account and we need to access over the net. Okay, got the point. See, simple thing. So see, simple. Let me open. Okay. Snowflake login. Okay, see login. So here click on the Snowflake login. So start for free. Okay, so this is SaaS model. Okay, see, the 30-day free trial will be there. We can able to. Okay, so Praveen. Yes, sir. Okay, so we can give any name. Okay, we should give the Gmail. ABC. Tell me what is the role? Our role?
Snowflake developer.
So developer or anything. Okay, for understanding purpose, anything we put for understanding, we go for developer or data engineer. Okay, go continue. Okay, see, go for AWS. So we can go for anything. I'm going for okay. So US. Okay, I'm going for US. Okay, click on this value. Get started. So remember, Snowflake supports multi-cloud. Okay, Azure, AWS, GCP. Remember, Snowflake doesn't have its own storage. Okay, see if you click now, what happened? Our data will be stored in AWS. If I click on this now, it will store in Azure. And so remember one more time, Snowflake. Okay, Snowflake doesn't have its own storage. Okay, now it's okay. When you click on this, now what happened? So now our data will be stored in AWS. Our data will store in Azure. Also this thing. Okay, I'm clicking on this thing and get started. Okay. You can go for anything. Okay, see. For this. So get started. Okay, we can skip all these things. We can skip. Skip. Okay, see. Okay, got the point. See, now what happened? We'll get a mail. Okay. So it says SaaS. Okay, so no need to install any software or any hardware, and Snowflake supports multi-cloud, AWS, Azure, and GCP, and it doesn't have its own storage. Okay, see now what happened? So click on this value. So click to activate. So remember, from day one, you should understand what is our role. Okay, what exactly we will do. Okay, what is migration? Okay, so see the same thing. I'm giving. So see what exactly we're trying to create. We are trying to create one Snowflake account. It's a SaaS model. Tell me in general, then in our projects now we'll go for free account in real-time projects. So we'll go for paid one. Okay. And tell me we'll create our Snowflake account, sir.
No.
No, we'll go Snowflake admin will create. Okay. Now generally how we are logging with the help of user ID and password. See now what happens. See just now how to log in. See simple thing. Okay, so skip for now. Okay, see, so simple thing. Let me log out the same thing for understanding purpose. Sign out. Now see how we are logging with the help of user ID and password. Same thing in some companies. Now what happened? They log in with SSO and MFA. What is SSO? What is SSO? And what abbreviation?
Single service object.
Huh? Single service object. Anybody? Some are coming from
Sign
IT
on.
background. Single sign on. Single
Sign on.
Single sign on. Okay, in the sense like what? So see, no need to do suppose like what happened. There are multiple applications are there in my project. Okay, see with the first time now what happened with the single sign on, no need to log in every time the all the things. Okay, so with the single one we can able to go. Okay, what is MFA? It's a
Factor
multi-factor
authentication.
authentication. So when you have time, try to work on this thing. Okay, so these are high level. What is what? Okay, see, user ID and password, SSO and MFA. Multi-factor authentication. So single sign-on, multi-factor authentication. Got the point? Okay, see now we are logging with the help of what? By using user ID and password. Now see here. So see first one week now try to comfortable with the UI. Okay, see plus create. Now what I should write? I should work with SQL worksheet. Why I should open SQL worksheet? Reason because reason is that what?
Working space for us.
So because now what happened, we say like, okay, we need to communicate with the Snowflake with the help of SQL only. We'll let SQL in the SQL worksheet. Okay, so you got the point. See, okay, this is important. So Snowflake account. Okay, then what happened? Open SQL worksheet. Okay, see worksheet. Okay, understand the concept, then we will go for okay, this one. Okay. Now what happened? So this is okay, go back here. Now what happened? I want to create a table. Okay, copy the same thing and put here. Okay, not will it work? Anybody? Any guess? Anyone? This will work?
No.
I know.
We need to select the database and
So remember,
create a database.
okay, now see what happened. Okay, see, cannot perform. So this is important. Get regular. So cannot perform. Create table. This session doesn't have a current database. So see, remember. So here no database selected. Okay. Now see, I select the same thing. I click on anything. Now what happened? Let me create. Now see what happened. Okay, see. Okay, so SQL execution error. Create table on shared database is not allowed. So remember, these are important points. Okay, whenever work, you should understand the error message. What exactly these things? Okay, see. Simple thing now say SQL execution error creating table on the shared database is not allowed. See here what happened. These are the symbols. Okay, symbol is nothing but say shared database. You see, these two databases are Snowflake provider. We can't able to perform anything. It's a shared database. Okay, now so see what happened. We should create one database. So see create database name. So this thing now. So performed by admin guys. So create. So tell me, generally we're having what are the environments we're having? Okay, say environments, database environments. Anyone? We're having
Development, testing,
okay, see,
Development,
so development, then
testing,
UAT,
okay, see. So development, so testing, okay, so testing or UAT. So these observations you should understand. So UAT, SIT, okay. Then sandbox instances will be there. So pre-prod, okay,
prod,
and
pre-prod
production.
and production. So these are things like I say, when you go for now, these are the terminals you should have little bit knowledge because now what happened. So when you go to the company, what happens? They'll try to use this terminal. Okay, production environment. Okay, work in the dev. Okay, say dev environment. Say development environment. Okay, see testing. UAT is nothing but say user acceptance testing. Okay, so testing. Okay, same thing. SIT is nothing but what say system integration testing. Okay, so testing. So pre-production, let's say pre-production. So pre-production. Okay, say production. And it's a production environment. Okay, so simple thing. If you're not able to understand, you say simply so dev, test, and prod. So three instances are there. So development, testing, and prod instances. So production. So see, whenever having any work, now what happened? So we should work in which instance? Production or no? Directly we should work in the only in the development. Okay, see, whenever having any work, now what happened? Any Jira stories, we should work in the what? Work in the development environment. Got the point. So these are the basic things. Let's see. So now what happened? So today we'll having the Scrum call. Okay, so Scrum call. Okay. Now what happened? The Scrum Master is there. So he tried to give one Jira ticket. Okay, so Jira tickets. Where you should work in where? In the Snowflake. First you have Snowflake account. Okay, see login with what? By using user ID and password. And then what happened? So database in the development database. In the development schema, we should work on this thing. See what happened now. Let me create one development database. So create, so database, so dev DB. So see database. Okay, see now what happened. Refresh the same thing. Now see. Okay, so these two are Snowflake provided one. This is my database. Okay, see my database. Same thing. So create one schema. So create schema. Okay, so dev. Yes. Okay, see devs. Now see what happened. Okay, now so dev DB. Okay, now dev schema. Got the point. So see now we are in which database? We're using select current database. Okay, current schema. Okay, see current database, current schema. Got the point. So let's see. Let me open one more session. Okay. Now what happened? Let me create the table. So you should understand the functionality. Then it's a simple. Okay. See. Now now tell me it work. Now tell me it work.
No.
No. Why? Because see it's a
There is
so
no
no
database
data.
schema.
No data. See cannot perform create table. So we can't able to perform create table because so this session doesn't have a current database. So see if I go for select a current database. Now what will get? Anybody? What will get?
Error.
Okay. Will not will get null value because no database. See, so see what happened. It says cannot perform create table. This session doesn't have a current database. So here what there is use you can say use database. Now see we can able to select from the drop down or by using what by using query. So use database. What is the database name? Okay, it's database. So database name. Okay, so what is the database name? So use database. Okay, so dev DB. Okay, we'll use this command. Use database. Same thing. Use schema. What is the schema name? What is our schema name? Okay, see refresh. Now see this is my database and dev
Yes,
schema. So dev. So see dev. Yes. See. Okay. So like this way, see step by step we should understand. Okay, see don't be in a hurry to learn everything in one day. It will take at least okay, see 1 month to complete. Okay, so SQL, Snowflake, all. Okay, like you should put efforts. Okay, see. Okay, see. Okay, now see. Now how to check my database by schema by using query by using select current database. Everything like current. Okay, see current database. Okay, current schema. And what is my name? We'll go for what? Same thing. Current user. Okay, see user is nothing but what? How we are logging with the help of like Praveen. Yes. Okay, see DB1 something I put. Okay, let's see. So by using this, so current database, current schema. So same thing. Got the point. See as of now. Okay, so this is my database. This is my schema. As of now, no objects are there. Now let me create. Now see what happened. I am trying to use shortcut. What is the shortcut? It's a okay. We can able to make use of this thing. So select the same thing, and here or simply make use of shortcut is nothing but what say control plus enter. I am trying to use. Okay, see control enter. Now see now what happened. Refresh the same thing. Now what happened? Tell me. Okay. Table has been created. Got the point. So this is the way you can able to see. So click. Okay. See now tell me second time. Again I try to tell me to work. What is saying?
No.
Tell me.
Because already exists table name in the schema.
Okay. See now what happened. Okay. See now it's saying what it's working. No, it's not working because what happened. So in database, one name should be given for one object. Okay. See the same thing. Okay. Now what happened? See. Okay. See this is okay. In database, one name should be given for what? Given for one object. And see here what happens. See, okay, see this name is all. Not a it work. Second name, even now it will work without any. Second time work. Second time it won't work because now what happens. So see name should be given for one object. Got the point? So okay, so far this is the way we can able to get it done. Okay, now simple thing. First, what happened? I created one what Snowflake account. Why? Because a SaaS model. Okay. Then what happened? Okay, how you're logging with the help of user ID and password. Okay. Now, if you want to create any database object, what should be compulsory of one development database. So development schema, then okay, objects. So database object can be table service. We can okay. Now what happens? See, now we are in which database? So this is my database. Okay, now see, I want to see list in my database, in my schema, I want to see list of tables. How to find list of tables?
Show tables.
Show tables. Okay, see, show tables. Okay, see, show tables. Control enter. Now there are two objects are there. Now what happened? Now somebody created. Now I want to see the like list of columns. How can I see list of columns? You should go for describe table, table name. Okay, so these are the points you should remember. Okay, see, simple thing. Describe table, table name. Okay. Now these are what are these things? These are column names, and this is the data type and data size. Got the point. So these are the column names, data type, the same thing. Let me show you one use case so that you'll get some clarity. I'll go for one more use case. Now what happened now? Okay, now let me. Okay, so go to okay. Simple use case. I'll write to you. Now what happened? I want to register the same thing. Okay. Now see what happened? A OTP has been generated. Okay. Simple thing, simple use case, so that you'll get some clarity. Okay. Now see what happened. Some is okay. Suppose see what happened. Now I want to okay. See, I want to give my name. Okay. Now tell me. Suppose like I'm giving so Praveen. Okay. Mail. Okay. So year of birth something inputting 2000. So photo ID proof. Okay. Aadhaar card. Now what happened? So you should visualize the concept. Okay, don't by heart anything. Okay, now see. Now what happened? Now I'm giving some data. Now tell me if I click on add, what will happen?
One record is generated in the database table.
Okay, see now what happened? So see, when I click on add now, data is stored in the tables. Okay, see, remember, so when you click on add, what happened? So data will be stored in table. Now what happened? If you want to have tables, first we should have one Snowflake account should be there. Then what happened? One COVID DevDB, something like database. Okay, same thing. We should have one schema should be there. So COVID SC should be there. Then what happened now? How the data will be stored in our Snowflake in the form of what? In the form of tables. Okay, now see, let me go back to Snowflake. Let me create. Okay, see one more account. So create database. Okay, see COVID dev db. Okay, so same thing. Create one schema. Okay, so COVID SC. So database there, schema there. Now it's not taking. Now makes of use schema COVID SC. Tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what is my schema name by using query.
Select current database.
So we'll use regular this thing. Okay, current database, current user. Okay, so current database. Okay, see current schema. Okay, see. So okay, this is my database. This is my schema. In this database, in the schema, I want to see list of tables. Tell me how to see list of tables.
Show tables.
Show tables. As of now, any tables are there? As of now, no tables are there. Show tables. Okay. Now what happened? Now they want to create this. So when I click on add, what happened? Data need to be stored in our Snowflake. Tell me how can I store? What should be there? Tell me.
Table.
I want. Okay. Now create table. Okay. See, syntax is that word. So create table. Table name. What table name can I use for this use case? What is the name of the table?
Registration.
It's registration. There's so many registrations. There's so
COVID
many.
registration.
Let's give.
Vaccine.
So
COVID.
okay, see COVID vaccine registration. So remember, we should give a proper name. Suppose if I put registration. So what exactly registration in the sense? Like tell me, there can be employee registration, department. So we should be clearly what we should say. We should say COVID vaccine registration. It's a what say table. What is T underscore T? It's a table. Okay, so you should give clearly picture. See, remember by seeing this one, say COVID vaccine registration table. Okay, in this table you have registration data of vaccines. Okay, got the point. See, now go back here. So same thing. So bracket open, bracket close. Now what happened? Now tell me, name is what data type? Name is what data type?
Name is varchar.
Alphabets will go for varchar. Varchar. I'm putting size of 50. Like we'll see tomorrow, like what is varchar to all. Okay, see, this is fine. And what about gender? Gender is what data type?
Varchar.
Varchar only. So varchar. Okay, same thing. Next one is that what's it? Year of birth. Year of birth is what data?
Date.
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 Data.
Yeah, date.
Okay, suppose this is date. Suppose what happened? Then this is what?
Date.
This is also data. What about both the data? Year of birth. See, it's a
Date
by
time.
form. Okay, see, so 2012, 2010. Say what? It's a number, no? So see, date is
Yeah,
nothing but what?
that's
Say
number.
DD, MM, YY. So this is a
YY.
this is number. Okay, so YY they want, see, as in Aadhaar card they want only YY last code. Okay, see, it's a, so date of birth is not, it's a number data type. Same thing. Next one is that what we're having. So date of birth we having, say date data type, data type. Okay, so what about photo ID? I'm selecting for Aadhaar card. Okay, see, so okay, photo ID. Photo
Varchar.
ID is about say varchar. Same thing. Okay, now what happened? Tell me. So this is what data type photo value?
Number.
Number.
Photo ID
Okay.
is what?
Now see what happened. Now this is number. Okay, see this is fine. I'm giving. Suppose like what happened? Other user did they want to go for PAN card. Tell me PAN card is nothing but what, say alphanumerics will be there. Tell me number can accommodate.
We should
No.
go for
We should
varchar.
go for varchar. So like this, okay, remember? So we should see like this is called as unit testing. So by seeing this data, you should say, so varchar will go for number or we'll go for varchar. Now see, this is what happened. If I go for here, if I go for this, what happened? If I go for Aadhaar card, number is working fine. But what happened? Somebody they want to go for passport. Passport is also alphanumeric. Now what happened? Then we should not go for number. We should go for alphanumeric support. That is varchar. Varchar to text string. Okay, got the point. By seeing this use case, we should be in a position. Okay, so this is number. This is string. Got the point. So this is, so far this is fine. Okay, got the point. Now what happened? Now tell me before that, tell me this code is looking good. Huh? Is it good looking? Huh? So see,
No.
so remember we should not like this. Okay, see what happens. Suppose like see, I make it to uppercase. Okay, see, remember we should follow either one uppercase or lowercase. Okay, now I make it to uppercase. Now see here, this is not good looking. Now what happened? We should make it to, okay, see, one alignment. Okay, so this is okay. If you work for MNCs, now what happened? They'll see the code review. Okay, see, they want to go for proper alignment should be there. Okay. What the point of, see, you should always write like this. Okay. So it will take some time, but what happened? This is the coding practice we should do. Don't be in a hurry to learn all things. Okay, see, go for step by step. Okay, see. So see the same thing. So this is the alignment. Okay, see, always make one like this. Okay, see, so now what happened? So this is the way. Now code will be looking fine. And remember one thing, copy the same value. So paste here. Now tell me, suppose like see, if I put extra bracket, now tell me it is working. It's throwing an error. No, it's not. What happened? Always go for. So this is Notepad++ tool. Go for language. So go for SQL and go for SQL. Okay, so see one more time. Now bracket open. Now see, this is the extra bracket. We can so see what happened. So go for language. Yes, and SQL. So that what? So these are the keywords. Okay, see create table is a, we can, so it's getting highlighted. Okay, got the point. See, so like this way. Suppose if I put one extra bracket, what happened? Now it's see, it's working. Okay, see, always write in Notepad++, change the language from S to S here. Got the point? Here, so far. So this is the way we need to do. Okay, so this is okay. So always make sure like, so see, this is the way you can. Okay. Now what happened? Now where you should execute this statement? Where you should execute?
Snowflake.
In the
Worksheet.
Snowflake. So Snowflake. Okay, see, first is the Snowflake account. One database, one schema should be there. Now go back here. Now go to same thing. Okay. Now what happened? Database all there. Now try to create the table. What is shortcut?
Table.
Shortcut is Control enter is the shortcut. Okay.
Enter.
How to see list of tables? List of tables. Using what command? Using show
Show table.
tables. Show tables.
Show
Okay.
tables.
Show tables. Okay. These are the basic points you remember. Show tables.
Table.
Okay. See show tables. You got the point. Huh? So this is the way we can able to understand. Okay. Now what happened? Table is there. Now I want to see the data. How to see the data? Supply. Okay. How to see the data?
Data.
Describe it.
Describe.
That is
Select the star
describe. So
from
now describe is for what? So
Select.
describe table.
Select
Table
star.
name. What it will give? It will give what?
structure of the table.
It's giving
The
the only
structure.
table column names. Column is 100. My question is that what I want to see data. Okay, so
Select
how to see the
star.
data by
Select
seeing?
star.
So see, we are discussing
Select.
so far what command so far discussing. Okay, discussing DDL, that is
DDL.
data
Definition
definition language. Okay, what definition language we are discussing as of now? Create is there. Now next step is that what I want to see the data. Tell me how to see the data by using what concept? By
Select.
using TRL or DQL. That is nothing but
QL.
what say? So what?
Select star from.
It's a what?
Data query.
Okay, so
Select
DRL is
star
nothing but
from table name.
no what?
Retrieval language.
Data retrieval.
Okay, see.
Yeah, data.
Okay, it's a what? It's a data. Okay, so retrieval or query language. It's a select statement. For the pointer. So see, data retrieval or data query language. Okay, see what exactly it is doing? It's doing selecting the data. Okay, got the pointer. See, so for DDL create. So select. Now how to see the data by saying select star from table. We'll see the same thing. Detail what exactly select from class all thing. Select star from table name. Okay, see. Okay, see. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Okay, got the point. See, in my table, 3, how many columns are there? 6 columns are there. Now, what happened today? Again, one Scrum call is there. In the Scrum call, now what happened? Okay, see, Scrum Master is there. He assigned 1 Jira ticket saying that, okay, add a new column. Okay, how to add a new column? Tell me, how to add a new column?
Alter.
Alright, see, question is that what, okay, see, already table is there, but what happened, okay, see, so client or somebody is asking, okay, he's asking what? He's asking to add a new column. How can I add a new column in SQL? We should go for what concept? We should go for
Alter
what?
command.
Okay, alter command. Okay, see, alter. Okay, see, so create is a to create a new database object. Same thing, alter to create a new database object. What database object can be what? It can be what? It can be
Table,
tables or it can
views,
be views. Okay, procedures. So
functions.
okay, so there are so many things. As of now, we're discussing tables. Same thing. What is alter is nothing but tell me definition and also what exactly alter is nothing but what?
Will edit the existing
Table
or
structure.
change. Yeah,
What
existing table.
only tables, huh?
No.
Any database object. It can
So to
be
change the definition of
any
definition or structure
Of any database object.
of any database. So remember what happened? First object should be there, then only we can able to perform all these things for the quantum. Okay, see, we can able to say. So it is used to change the definition or structure of any existing database object. Okay, so first database should be there, then we can go for this thing. We can able to make it work. Got the point? See, first. Okay, see, first we should understand what. So create is nothing but it's a new object. Alter is nothing but what already object is there. Just we should, okay, see, modify the existing database object definition or the structure. Okay, syntax is that what? Alter table name. Okay, so table name. Okay, add column name, data type. Okay, we'll see. I'll try to give use cases. You can able to work. See data type. Okay, alter table name. What is the table name? So COVID vaccine registration team. Add, suppose like they're asking to add phone number. Phone is what data type? It's a number data type. So copy the same value, copy the same thing, Now see what happened. Let me execute. Now I'm putting like this. Tell me to work. Yes. So see, first we should have one object should be. See, it says
Object.
does not because now what happened? So see, I made it a different type. See, now what happened? Now question is that what the new column will be added at which position? At the starting or ending? Tell me.
Ending.
Tell me where it will get added.
Ending.
At the
Last.
last. At the
Ending.
last. Okay, at the last position it is getting added. Okay, see how to figure it out by using select statement. See, the new column will be added at the last position. Same thing, one more column. Okay, see now what happens? This is also getting added at the last position. See, last position. Okay, got the point. So, like, okay, now client is asking, I don't want this column anymore. Then what I should do? I should drop the thing. Okay, so add is nothing but adding a new column. Now drop column name. Okay, see column. Now what happened? Now tell me what will happen. If I write Excel, what will happen?
It will
What
drop
will happen?
the
It will
phone
drop the column name of phone number 1.
Tell me.
It will drop
Tell
the
me.
column phone number 1.
Okay, now see. Okay, now what happens? See, when I try to execute, now what happens? See. So see the data. Now this column is removed. Okay. Now second time will occur the same column, same thing.
No.
Okay, see, no, it won't work. Reason is that what she says column does not exist. Okay, see, remember, if you want to do anything, compulsory the columns or something should be there, and you can go for the same thing. Okay, for the point answer this. Next step is that what? Okay, one more thing is that we'll see one more time. So 1 or 2 classes will take this alt. Now what happened? Now one more thing is that we're having drop. Drop is nothing but what? Tell me. It is used to drop an existing database object. How can you drop by using drop table name? So table. Okay, see. So same thing. Now what's the table name? So this is the table. Okay, go back here. Now what happened? So now drop the table. Okay, now see, drop the table. Now tell me, now table is there? No table is there? It is not there.
No.
It is not there. Okay, got the point. See, so this will say what happened. If you want to drop no compulsory what? So table should be there. Okay. Now tell me this select statement work now. Select statement.
No.
Select one. We say like okay, object does not exist because now what happened? So see here it is there. When I refresh, what happened? It will get automatically drop. Got the point. Okay, so because now what happened? So see now. So far what we discuss. Okay, so far we discuss what? Okay, so we should understand what is Snowflake. Okay, so understand the functionality. What is Snowflake? Okay, so what is SAS? And then what is the other thing? So data migration project. Okay, now how to communicate with the Snowflake? Using what? What language? SQL. Okay, so SQL. Again, what you're having? SQL languages or commands. Okay, what are this we are having? We're having so DDL, so DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. Okay, got the point. So see, DDL, DML, TCL, and DRL, we can able to make it working. So clear so far. So this is fine. We discussed so far what? DDL is nothing but so create, alter, and drop. What about DML? Say we did not discuss. We discuss. Okay, so select state. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. We'll see that. Okay, so DML, TCL, and DCL. We complete all this. Okay, got the point. Now the task is that what I'll try to give one tables. Okay, let's see one tables. So what is So Scrum Master is there. Scrum call, team members, all the things will be there. Okay, now what happened? You should create some tables. So we'll see data inserting. We'll see tomorrow. As of now, create tables. Okay, so create the tables and perform the same thing. Now what happens? See, they want to change the name from country to country. How to change the names? By using which concept?
Alter.
By using alter statement. Okay, see. So create these tables. Okay, so create these databases and work on it according to the point. Yes, no? So we'll see the same thing. Tomorrow one more time we'll discuss on this. Okay, so DDL, because no, without this no, we can't able to go further. These are called as okay, so basic building blocks of SQL. Okay.